In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily increase the size of your position on the platform BingX. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BingX, make sure to go down to the video description and click on the first link. You will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $6,000 as a welcome bonus. First, I quickly want to mention that I'm currently using here the demo trading feature. So if you want to try out the platform, I highly recommend you to just go up here to derivatives, go to USDT perpetual futures after you've signed up. When you're using the link down from the video description, you will also automatically get some demo funds that you can then use to try out the platform. Up here you will see a button to go to the demo trading feature, and then you can use the entire platform right here without having to use your own money. So as you can see, I currently have this position opened right here. It's using a 5x leverage. It's a long trade with a $100,000 position size. And if I want to increase the position size, I can simply go up here and open another position. And what will happen is it won't create a separate new trade, but instead just add the value that I will enter right here, add this amount to the existing trade. So as you can see, currently it's $100,000. Let's say I just go in here and I want to add another $100,000. Just click on open long, confirm, and what you will see is I've increased and I've actually doubled the position size right here to $200,000. So that's the way how to do it. You can easily just add new chunks to your position size by just opening new trades in here, and they will all be added to your existing trade. Note that you, of course, need enough available margin in order to do this. So as you can see down here, I have $60,000 of margin, so I can do this multiple times. But if you are completely out of any available margin, there's no way for you to increase the position size unless you actually increase the leverage. And if you want to know how to do that, I have a separate video on that on my channel where I explain the other method on how to even increase your position more. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible with up to $6,000 in bonuses by using the link down from the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.